An essential component in your vehicle's interior is the rearview mirror. It allows you to see cars and objects behind you when you're driving. A rearview mirror is firmly installed on your windshield and it helps you see vehicles and other objects behind you. The mirror is typically mounted on the windshield on a pedestal or bracket, and it requires a quick bonding adhesive to stay in place. 1.3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive. The 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive and Primer is a two-part system that permanently bonds a rear-view mirror bracket to the windshield glass. It begins to harden in 60 minutes and takes 24 hours to completely cure. It can be applied in temperatures ranging from 0 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. The adhesive firmly and quickly attaches your mirror to the windshield, and it holds tight after a prolonged period of time. The instructions are easy to follow, and it's set and cured within a day. It continues to adhere when exposed to hot temperatures, and there is enough adhesive in the package to apply it 3 times. 2. Permatex Extreme Rearview Mirror Professional Strength Adhesive Kit. This 2-part kit features a professional strength adhesive inactivator. The medical-grade towelette helps with application accuracy. It provides the same strength as original equipment manufacturer products used by Ford, Chrysler, and GM and results in a permanent bond. This product works very well as long as you follow the instructions, which are clear and straightforward. The adhesive is simple to use, is very powerful, and is long-lasting. It's also a very good value and much less expensive than some rival brands. It keeps your mirror on in hot temperatures and in direct sunlight. 3. Gorilla Epoxy. Gorilla is well known in the world of glue products. This 2-part epoxy could be the perfect solution for your rear view mirror issue. Just like other epoxy products, you must mix the liquids in equal parts and then apply, so be very careful. It is great across multiple surfaces, dries clear, and is solvent resistant. It typically sets within 5 minutes, but cure time can depend upon your project. It is also water resistant, giving you peace of mind that it will last a long time. The product design keeps the resin and hardener separate so it won't dry out over time. 4. Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue is a reactive cure adhesive that is made of synthetic resins. This product works by the expansion of polyurethane contained inside it to form a strong bond between the glass and the rearview mirror. Reviews state that this product is strong enough to hold up heavy materials. 5.3M Auto Glass Urethane Windshield Adhesive. Also manufactured by 3M. This product is water-based and is known for its ability to cure in a little time. It has a medium viscosity that allows it to stick the rearview mirror neatly and firmly on the windshield. This 3M adhesive has a stronger bonding strength compared to the other 3M adhesives. It is also known as the best glue for reattaching a rearview mirror. 6. Weld ClearWeld. This product from Weld is cheap, but you don't end up losing on quality. Coming in various sizes, this is a 3,900 psi strength epoxy that sets within 5 minutes and cures within 1 hour. It dries clear and can be used on tile, most plastics, ceramic, glass, and wood. It is a 2-part epoxy that you must, like the ones before, mix yourself. It is great for both large and small jobs, so no matter the size of your rearview mirror, you should have no trouble setting it.